nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, and all you cool cats, welcome to the 69 subscriber episode. The morning I hit 69 subscribers, I was enjoying my daily cup of non-alcoholic vodka, and I was wondering, what could I do to celebrate 69 subscribers? Maybe I could give singing lessons to 69 frogs. Nah, that's a terrible idea. No. I got it. I'm going to 3D print my own play button. The first thing you need to do to 3D print a play button is load up Autodesk Fusion 360 and design the thing. Once Fusion 360 was open, I downloaded an image of a play button so that I could use it as reference. And after extruding it, putting a fillet on it, and cleaning it up a little bit, we should have a button that we send over to our printer. And of course, we have to add some custom text to make it official, you know. And decisions, which font should I use? Of course we're going to do something cool on the 69. And of course, for the nice, there's only one option, and that is, well, you saw it. And obviously, we need a second 69 over there. And of course, more extrusions, and I think we got it. And finally, I'm adding a way to hang it on the wall with a screw if I ever wanted to. In this instance, I'm planning on using two-way tape, but you never know. All we have to do is slice her up in our slicer and then send her on over to the printer. Just kick back, relax, and enjoy this very satisfying print. I shut the lights off here to test the glow-in-the-dark filament that I'm using. I woke up the next morning, super excited to see how my print turned out. I was super excited to see it. It turned out great. Ooh, Jolly Ranchers! Anyways, yes, it looks great. Nice. And now we hang it near my glassware that glows. And you can see I'm using two-sided tape. And that, folks, is how you make a glow-in-the-dark play button. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.